Hey guys, Sneak here and welcome back to another video. So today's video, we're gonna be doing, or I am gonna be showcasing the new add-on. It's not really new, it's the quad bike add-on, different types of quad bike, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. This video, I am so excited for this. I know I'm just showcasing this, but it's a quad bike, okay? It's a quad bike. I never ride a quad bike before, so it's my first time. So I'm gonna go for third person back, because that would be great. And also guys, leave a comment as well and click the little bell so that you guys have notifications, and that's all about it. And I'm just waiting for this settings, and yeah, there we go. So yep, it's lagging. It is lagging. Of course it is. Of course, there we go, and video, and oops. Where am I? Okay, there we go. There we go, and so this is the quad bike add-on. Basically, you got 5 types of quad bike. You got the zombie, or zombie quad bike, horse quad bike, donkey head quad bike, and skeleton horse quad bike. So let's get right into this video. So yeah, so I'm gonna ride these are choices. I'm going for the blue one because I love blue. I know there's no green in here, so what? Oh wow! What? Wait a minute. Let's go trade first. We should break this wall. No. It's not fitting. Oh my god. Wait a minute. There we go. Your armor, sir, what is your armor, sir? Wait a sec. Oh, leather horse armor. Okay, this is what it looks like if come on, why can I not do it? Oh my, why? Just why, man? Why? Let's grab the diamond horse armor and the iron horse armor and the gold horse armor. It's basically a horse, and I can do it. Wow, whoa. Okay, we need to choose another ride, but basically you can do it, but I can't right now. I don't know why. Yeah, it's glitched. So let's just go on the way. Go and survive. Then push that. There we go. Go. Why is this always glitching? Oh yeah. Okay, this is kinda hard. Yeah, this is a horse race map, and I'm a big vehicle, so yeah. Okay. I think I got this in the bag. Oh no, do not fall in the water. That would be really terrible. Okay. Oh no, I'm too big. Jump, and jump, and jump, and jump, and just jump. Ah! Oh, this jump. I can't fit. Oh, there we go. Oh, I cannot fit. No, no. Oh my God, I can't fit. No. Oh my God, this is so annoying. This is so freaking. Okay, that's it. That's it. Creative time. Destroy the freaking gun. Oh my, get the fuck out of here. Jump. Can't jump. Ah, it's so hard right now. What am I doing? Break. Ah, what the hell? Oh my gosh. No. This is so annoying. This is literally. There we go. Go! Reaper! No! Oh my God! Get the fuck out of here! Get out! No, I'm stuck. Oh, this is what causing it. Oh my God! And go! There we go! Oh yeah! And we're the winner! Oh, just joking. I feel so awful. Okay, let's do that again. Go. I'm freaking stuck. Oh! Overpass. And there we go. We're the freaking winner! Oh yeah, we're the winner. Who's the winner? Oh yeah, who is the winner? It's me. Oh yeah, it's me. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe. And yes, I'm just gonna put all the vehicles now because and then I'm gonna end off the video. So guys, leave a like. Now it's kind of short and kind of boring at the same time. But guys, I hope you like it. It's not good and all, but guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and also subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. I'm just gonna be what do you call I'm just an audience. There we go. So guys, see you guys next time. Peace out.